Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana. I'm a 3D artist, and in this class we are learning how to create one tall glass of wine with nice bubbles inside and a lid with nice environment, texture, as well as backlight, and how to render that as image as well as animation. Going through this class, you will get some skill and experience in how to use, in this case, one cylinder to create further one glass, how to use different tools to shape that, and how to use interesting lights and, in this case, particle system for bubbles and how all that works, and you can easily later apply that on some much bigger projects and understand how to create some nice scenes, let's say for some products, for advertising something, for your maybe future clients, to render some nice images of nicely lit items and to create some effects. Like in this case, we are creating those bubbles inside with some nice light and then rendering that as images or animations. This will not only bring you experience but also confidence, because we are going to do many things here in this class, in this short time. And from complete beginner, you don't need experience in Blender for this class. From complete beginner, you will just jump ahead and make huge steps into 3D design and animation, just going through this one easy to follow class. Let's begin.